stay in the pocket all the time. Don't mind if I say it's all mine. Just fine, see I break them all the time. Don't mean you can get out of line.
My lease is up, should I return it? That's the question that you've been asking yourself, which is why you've landed on this video right now. And at the end of this video, you're gonna have the answer to your question. So if your lease is up, folks, it's coming up this month, in the next 3 months, in the next 2 months, and you're not sure what to do, I'm going to explain it to you. So I've been in this business for 10 years, and the things I'm about to tell you are things most people don't want to share with you right now. The residual value on your lease is what's the most important part. That's the buyout at the end. So if you look at your contract, you can actually find your residual value in your contract, and you can go from there. So your residual value is probably placed a lot lower right now than what it's supposed to be. Reason is because we're in a chip shortage right now. Everything has gone up in value. So the value of your car has most likely gone up. So do not return your lease. You never return your lease. There's two things you do. You either buy it out, trade it in, or buy it and keep it. With the way the market's going right now, that's exactly what you want to do. Ideally, you want to research what the value of your trade is, see if a dealership will buy it from you. That's the most important part. Make sure you do your homework before you get there. There's great spots that you can go on to do your homework, and the number one place that you should be visiting is Car Guru, and you'll see car values. Click that, plug in your VIN number, and you'll actually be able to see what your car retails for and what the trade-in value should be like. I'll have a link in the description below that'll send you directly to that tool. So make sure you hit that, plug in your VIN, and then you can see what your value of your car is before you head over to the dealership. Folks, understand your buyout right now is basically the remainder of your payments pre-tax to a dealership. Your residual value pre-tax to a dealership, that's what you owe on your car. So if the value exceeds that, that's equity that goes directly in your pocket. I see a lot of people returning their leases, and you should not be doing that. You're only giving the dealership some value, allowing them to take your car and mark it up and then sell it. Right now, what you should be doing ideally is placing an order 3 to 4 months before your lease ends on a brand new car, if that's the route you want to take. And then when the brand new car lands, you make sure you use the tool I've put in the description below. That's going to allow you to know what the value of your car is, what the trade-in value of your car is. Check your contract for the residual if you have 3 payments. So let's take 3 payments at $500. So you do $500 divided by 1.13 if you live in Ontario or whatever your taxes are. That's your payment before tax. You time it by 3 plus the residual value. That's what you owe. If the car is worth more than that, you're going to pocket that money. That's going to go as cash down. So make sure you do not return your lease. Thank you very much, guys. If you like the content on this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share this video with your friends.